Do you like to be alone? Well, there are many people who tend to be alone. If that's you, then you are the one who enjoys spending as much time on your own as possible. Of course, you do have friends. It's not that you dislike people, you just like being alone. And there's nothing wrong with that. As a loner, you also have higher standards for friendship. Here are some special and unique characteristic qualities like you who like to be alone. So let's begin.
Here comes our first quality in this list. That is,
Valuing time, that is giving more importance to time. If there's anything important to a loner, it is time. You respect and value time more than anything else. You're well aware that time is the most valuable thing to you to a successful life. You could do everything to not be late and would not waste anyone's time. And will never allow anyone else to waste your time. You avoid fake behavior. Through your self awareness, you have developed a huge level of self respect. People who respect your time and the way you respect theirs can expect one of the most incredible friendships. Here comes the second quality of a loner, that is self aware. Many people choose to ignore their thoughts and emotions. People like to be alone, choose to hold these feelings and become fully aware of things, aware of them. Self awareness is very important and difficult to achieve, but can be achievable. As a loner, you know yourself better than anyone else, and this allows you to better understand those around you. Everyone has some periods of depressive and discouraging thoughts, but you are able to navigate them much more easily. Next quality, that is third, calm and sensible. Loners are amazingly strong willed when tough situations arise. As a result of your frequent reflection and loud time, you have incredible focus and willpower. It's not that you don't get strong emotional effect by stressful situations, but instead of getting caught up with distractions, you decide to spend some time alone and recharge. During this time, you find solutions to your problems and the way to deal it. And the next fourth one is open minded. Even though you like being alone, this does not make you flexible and close minded. In other words, you are extremely open minded and always up for new ideas and activities. You don't plan to spend your entire life on your bedroom, and you do enjoy exploring and going on new adventures. However, other needs to make sure that they give you alone time before you go anywhere that involves several people. Fifth quality is clear boundaries. People who like to be alone always have healthy boundaries. You understand yourself perfectly. You have strong values. You never feel alone. You know that you always have yourself. You respect your boundaries and will let others know if they are about to cross them. After all, if you can be faithful to yourself, you cannot be faithful to anyone. And here comes the next sixth quality, that is aware of weaknesses and strengths. You are more than aware of what your strengths and weaknesses are. However, you know that there is always a room to improve, no matter how good you think you are doing. While you are aware of these imperfections, you still hold your head high to show others that it is okay to be confident in yourself. Seventh quality, very empathetic. Empathetic in the sense showing ability to understand and share the feelings of others. You tend to be among the most empathetic people in the entire world. You are able to feel and sympathize with others on the same level as they are on. Feeling everyone else's sorrows and despairs is a very intense curse. But since you are so empathetic, it is easy for you to find the bright side in almost any negative circumstances. You would rather find a solution to whatever conflict is making someone upset. And the next eighth one, guided by intuitions. Your intuitions is your constant guide, leading to the next best thing that awaits you on your journey through life. There's a lot that can be said about you and your gut instincts. When it comes to making tough decisions, You don't get scared easily because you know that your intuition will lead you somewhere just as amazing as the last adventure you had. And the next ninth one is never codependent. There is never a time in your life where you feel as if you need to depend on someone else for anything at all. Even if you are in a relationship with someone, you still prefer to be your own person and prefer to do things on your own. Being dependent on someone else for some needs is something you try to avoid, and you will go to great lengths to show others just how capable you are being on your own. 10th, filled with kindness and compassion. You love to demonstrate the meaning of compassion, in the sense sympathy and pity, as well as kindness to others so that they can understand that spreading love is a necessary piece of your existence. It makes you feel good to show others just how compassionate you are with the things you love to do most, as well as being with the people that you love most. This is one of the best qualities to a personality that not everyone gets to witness. 11th one, extremely courageous. You are a person who displays confidence, and that confidence makes you extremely desirable to everyone else. There is a certain glow about your personality that brings out the best in others. They look up to your courage with inspiration in their eyes. This goes hand in hand with you being one of the best role models because how courageous you really are. There isn't a single challenge that you will not face. 12th one, self-loving. Even with the bad times in life, you still find a way to love yourself, no matter what happens to you. Of course, you know that there will be times where you aren't as perfect, ready, or experienced yet to do some of the things you'd really like to. You still love every piece of you. There will always be room to improve, and that means that you are going to work really hard for that success. You are an extremely unique individual if you possess any of these special personality traits. Although there are many other great qualities in a people who like to be alone, these ones stand out the most when others are looking for genuine personality. Do you like to be alone? Which of these qualities do you have? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more videos, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to smash that notification bell.